Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. This look here was fire on me. Like, I might have to go short, but this video is really just all about different wigs. I'm showing you guys wigs that I will be selling on my website. Some of these wigs I'll be keeping. Like this one here was on my website, but it's already sold. I just putting mini clips together of me filming my hair, trying to decide if I'm going to keep a wig or if I'm going to sell it. So that's basically what these little wig series are. And please excuse my voice. I am getting over a cold. Yes, this wig had a deep middle part. But like I was saying, I'm just going through my wigs trying to see what I want to keep, what I want to get rid of. This one I actually did love. The bundles in the back are bomb. Look how thick that ponytail is. The frontal at the top is really nice as well. And I did even consider taking the wig apart because this is a handmade wig that my friend made on a sewing machine. I thought about taking it apart and just keeping the bundles and reinstalling it on the wig. I don't know, but I still have it on my website. I might keep it up, I might take it down, but it's up for now. Deep middle part, bomb bundles, yeah. And here, this hair is so nice and flowy, y'all. I wore this wig for maybe like 3-4 days. And you see how I'm still able to like comb through it. Comb just going straight through it. So enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to show you how I got that pixie cut at the beginning. Okay, y'all. So I'm ready to go out of town. And I'm trying to figure out what wig I'm going to wear. What wig I'm going to sell. So I have this one a curly one and this one a wavy one. And then I'm like, well, shit, I'm ready to go out of town. Why not just wear my little short one? You know, I probably curl it, but curl it, I don't know. And this one here is RPG show. Okay, this one is a frontal. I remember wearing this one. I love this one. This one was, oh, it was bomb. This one, oh, this one might be the one. But I ain't really want nothing long. I just need to wash this one. Get it to look good again. I don't know. I'm ready to do this one. How did I wear this? This is one reason why I'm like selling the wigs that I was saving for myself. I don't even use these wigs. Like this wig I haven't worn since I first installed it, which was like probably 3-4 years ago. So let's see. And this is what the wig really looked like when I first took it out of the bag. Just crazy all over the place. But it's funny how hair really lasts a long time if you just store it and put it away. One thing about wigs is like you have to give them breaks. If you wear them consistently, yes, you're going to tear it up. But if like you rotate your wigs, you can really have your wigs for a long time. And boom, it's done. All I did was run my flat iron through it. And that's it. I am in love with this wig. My husband loved this short wig. I done had a shortcut before, but that was like when I was in high school. It got me thinking about it. Next. Alright, you guys. So here's another wig that I will be selling. This one is a deep curly 18-inch wig. And this is a closure. Okay, so I already washed and conditioned this one, so I'm trying not to disturb the curls. Only thing I will need is like to add a little makeup to make it more so my skin complexion. That's all. I don't tint my lace anymore. I just add makeup so it kind of washes off when I wash the hair. This is currently on my site, so go grab it if you like. Very affordable. And you're going to receive it in this little pink bag with a hair net and some other hair goodies. That's one. And here's another one. A 20-inch kinky curly straight blowout texture. I did wash this hair and let it air dry, so this is the natural texture. Whatever. Look, super thick, so thick. Again, this is a frontal. You see that? Look at how well it straightens. I just love these wigs, but I gotta get rid of some. I will style it, but I'm ready to install this wig that I am ready to wear. Okay, so here's the one I will be installing, this bob. It's almost like somewhat prepped. I guess when I washed it, I don't know. Did I wash it actually? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this. Boom, wig installed. Also, you can click the link down below. I'll leave a more detailed video showing you guys how I install my used wigs. This is the lace glue I use to buy my first wigs. And I don't know if y'all know or not, but pretty much all wigs can be glueless, whether that's no glue or spray adhesive at all or holding spray. So you see, purchase a used wig, you can get this look. Okay, so this wig also will be on my website for sale. Click the link down below. Just make sure you have one of these. You need a hot comb. This one plugs into the outlet. It's by Kiss, and I got it from the hair store. $20. Alright, you guys, that's all for this video. I'll see you next time. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. I miss you guys, and I got more for you. See you later.